You're still drinking clumpy, chalky protein shakes for breakfast and wondering why you hate your diet. This is a 40 g protein iced coffee that actually tastes like a Starbucks latte, and it won't ruin your morning. The problem with most protein coffee is the heat. If you pour whey directly into hot coffee, it clumps. The secret is the cold base method. Vanilla whey for flavor and that silky body. A splash of almond milk to round it out. And a dash of cinnamon. Everything stays smooth when it starts cold. Here's the kitchen pro tip. Stop pouring powder into the cup first. Start with your milk. Then add cold brew or chilled coffee. Now use a hand frother to create a gentle vortex. Emulsify the protein into the liquid as you go. Compare that to powder hitting heat and seizing up. Keep the frother just under the top to build microfoam. It's the difference between a grainy mess and a smooth foam. Little tap, little swirl. It tightens the texture. Wrong way clumps. Right way pours like a cafe latte. Add cinnamon while frothing to bloom the spice. Once it's silky, you're ready to pour over ice. Moment of truth. Look at that texture. No chalk, no clumps. Creamy, frothy, cafe-level finish. The macros: 220 calories, 40 gram protein, 5 g carbs, 2 g fat. It's basically a muscle-building tool disguised as a treat. Tastes like a $7 latte, without the crash. And it actually fits your morning. Repeatable, affordable, delicious. If you missed the 40 g protein lava cake from yesterday, go watch that now. It pairs perfectly with this coffee. And if you want to see how I train to justify all this caffeine, the workouts are up next. Subscribe for more high protein, actually good recipes.